If you have a habit of overcooking your chicken, this might be for you. This week, I have been sent Typhur's new Dual Sync wireless meat thermometers. I used this over the weekend to make a Sunday roast with a joint of beef, and it turned out unreal. A couple of the really cool features on these, it's got the pull-out back stand, along with, of course, the two probes that go straight into your meat. Really cool thing is that it shows you the individual stick temperature on the screen. It also works out roughly how long it's going to take for it to reach your desired temperature. So if you were doing chicken, you want to hit 75 Celsius, it will work out how long you're going to need for that. You can probably just about see there, it's got the two displays. If I take this one out and this one out, so you should be able to see there the temperatures for each of the probes, and then of course you can set it up. One of my favorite things is it doesn't just have to use this as a device, it does sync to your smartphone, and the app is amazing. You can control everything on there. It's even got a built-in AI platform, so you could, for example, say I've got a 2 kilo beef joint that I'm going to oven cook. It's a fan oven. How long do I need to cook it for it to be medium rare, and at what temperature? It will work it all out for you. It's a really, really clever app. I love that it doesn't just control the probes themselves. It actually guides you through that cooking process as well. It's got Wi-Fi, it's got Bluetooth, so hence how it connects to your phone and your devices. Also has an Apple Watch app, and it can give you alerts. You've got 10 minutes left, you've got 5 minutes left. Charge up the base, which then charges the probes, and it really is as simple as that. I couldn't believe how easy it was to set the temperature I wanted and then just put it in and it went. I also tried this with chicken breast because I cook a lot of chicken. I always end up either having it dry. I can just put one of these in each of them and it will tell me exactly when it's done, so I haven't got any more dry chicken. I think it was the nicest joint of beef I've ever cooked, and typically I like to eat mine rare for steak, not chicken. Don't eat rare chicken. As you can see, the app is really, really useful to use. As you can see, the app is really user-friendly, super easy to use. The AI platform was just awesome, and the app has also got a recipe book as well, so you can explore different recipes that are already preloaded on there that you can have a play around with. Overall, I was super impressed with this. It's the Typhur Dual Sync. I was super impressed. It cooked the meat to perfection, syncs up to your phone, you've got a display for beside the oven, and it does the job perfectly. I know everyone's talking about meat thermometers at the moment. Ninja is a big one, but guys, test this one out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Every subscription does help, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next one.